Today's Wednesday Wisdom is sponsored by Peterson Law Office.
Welcome back. It's time for our Wednesday Wisdom with friend of the show, Justin Peterson from the Peterson Law Office. And today we're talking about what to do if you or a loved one gets injured in a slip and fall on commercial property. Justin, good to see you.
Good to see you all. How are we doing?
Good.
Well, I have a question for you already out of the gate.
So my goodness, here we go.
I went and visited my daughter this week at Georgetown College, which is a great school.
It is.
And she lives in the apartments for seniors, and they have kind of a mountain they have to go down to get to the apartment, and they have removed the stairs. They're working on the stairs. So this is an accident waiting to happen.
Oh my goodness. So they're actually walking to and from school uphill both ways.
Yeah, in the snow.
Back in the day. Yeah.
Barefoot.
Literally.
Barefoot.
All right.
So seriously, if something should happen, because I was like, advise her, you need to be very careful about this. What should she do if something happens, if somebody falls?
Certainly, if there's a dangerous condition, they probably need to report it to like the ombudsman or somebody who's
maybe
in
report
charge.
it.
I'll do that right after the show.
Yeah, mom can take care of that, right? You know, but yeah, if someone gets hurt, and you know they're not warned, or if there's a dangerous condition, obviously, if we know about the dangerous condition and we enter into that, you know. So my questions for your daughter might be: are there other directions she can go? Is there other areas that she can transverse? You know, or are they choosing to, go down this hill as quickly as possible?
Yeah, because it's a shortcut.
And it is college.
Yeah, and it is college. So I don't know if they have a sled and a beer and they're just flying to class. But you have to prove negligence in every case, right? And so there has to be something either that's actively done or not done. And certainly if a dangerous condition is created, they need to warn the students, right? Maybe block the area off, things like that. And so hopefully, knock on wood, hopefully everybody's okay. Yeah. And no one does get hurt.
But knowing Taylor, she's a very quiet person. She would never in a million years want to sue somebody.
Yes.
And a lot of people face that, situation where they're like, I'm not the kind of person to sue. So what do you say to that person?
So 9 out of 10 people come to my office and they say that. I'm not the type of person to file a claim. I'm not the type of person to file a lawsuit. And I tell no one is.
Right.
No one.
Now some people are.
Yeah, but honestly, it's really rare when people come to my office. They're not saying, "Where's my money?" They're saying, "I got all these medical bills. I have lost wages. I have an uncertain future. When do I get to go back to work?" And they're actually really scared. And so the last thing they're worried about, honestly, is money. It's more about accountability for most people. And in our civil system, money's the only way we can hold people accountable for dangerously created situations. And so I certainly sympathize with that. And the great thing about on the plaintiff side is we get to pick and choose our cases. So if someone comes in our office and they're just the sue happy type or something like that, we're not going to take that case. That's not for us. We want the folks who actually say that, I'm not the type of person to file a claim, because I promise you no one wants to be in that situation.
No. And there are people that have seriously fallen and they've taken an injury, they go to the doctor, maybe a week later because they don't feel the aches and pains for a moment. Is it too late to file a lawsuit like a week later or something?
No, it's not. Certainly you want to get checked out sooner than later, because the bigger gap in time that you put in between some incident, whether it's a slip and fall or car wreck or whatever it is, and your treatment, the insurance company is going to argue it's related to some other condition, degenerative conditions, aging conditions, other trauma, whatever it might be. So just for your own personal sake, you do want to go get checked out. A lot of commercial policies, if you do have a fall, have what's called med pay on their policy. That might pay anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 of a medical treatment, regardless of fault. PIP on your car insurance has at least $10,000. You can purchase more. That's no fault benefit, so regardless of fault, they're paying $10,000 of lost wages or medical bills. And so a lot of people will call and say, I'm afraid to go to the ER because of this bill. And we're like, no, you have car insurance. It's going to pay for that regardless of whether you're determined to be at fault or they are.
Yeah. Well, this is great information for anybody, for Taylor or anybody else mom watching. Yes, and you do free consultations, and you're available 24/7, which is awesome. So thanks for being here on Wednesday Wisdom. All of the information for Peterson Law Office is up on the screen.